myself Preksha Kamani and I am from Gujarat, Surat. So I just want to say, maybe heaven is a myth, but this is real. Please experience once in your life with Motortour.
हमारे वन डे में काजा जाना है, तो इसलिए आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि 5:30 एवरीबडी शुड बी रेडी, मतलब पूरा गियर्स पहन के, ऐसा नहीं 5:30 उठ रहे हैं।
कल सुबह यहाँ से हम जाएंगे काजा, यहाँ से आपका अप्रोच 2-10 किलोमीटर है, बाकी रोड काफ़ी ऑफरोड होगा,
मतलब यहाँ 10 किलोमीटर के बाद पूरा
ऑफरोड ही आपको
पास के बाद पूरा रोड का काम चल रहा है, वाइडिंग का हो रहा है, तो ये सब चीज़ें होगी तो आपको पहले अवेयर कर देंगे। वो मैंने आपको बताया अराउंड 70 किलोमीटर आप मान के चलो।
In Himalayas, I have been earlier to Himalayas, but on a bike trip, well, for sure, for the first time I am here and I am loving it. Well, I am nervous about the blockage and whatever the water streams which are in our way, and I'm excited about the visit to the key monastery. That's the main point.
माउंटेन्स का पहले से इतना शौक रहा है कि जैसे रील्स में देखा है अभी तक, तो ये फर्स्ट टाइम है कि यहाँ पे इतनी लॉन्ग जर्नी पे हम बाइक पे निकले। मेंटली तो ऐसा कुछ सोचा ही नहीं था पहले तो कि इतना ये टफ और स्कैरी रोड्स वाला कोई सीन होगा, क्योंकि अभी तक जितना भी देखा है, रील्स में भी देखा है, तो जैसे स्नो माउंटेन्स है, वो ट्रीज है बहुत से, वो पाइन ट्रीज है, तो अभी वो जो ब्यूटीफुल सिनारियो था वही सोच के आए थे, तो फिजिकली भी इतना वो प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं थे कि लाइक इतना वो सब ऑफ रोडिंग इतना टफ होगा। जैसे वो रिवर क्रॉसिंग वाला था, वो रिवर क्रॉसिंग वाला मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा स्कैरी लगा था, लेकिन ओवरऑल अच्छा है।
Hi, I'm Chintan Patel. I'm from Gujarat and this is my first time in bike expedition trip. Actually, we were trying to find a vacation spot for 8 to 10 days and we searched online. We found 2 trips. One was a trip to Ladakh and the second was the Spiti trip. But it was in our time frame. It was a 5-day trip plus it was in Himachal Pradesh, so we wanted to try first a Spiti trip. That is why we chose the Spiti trip. The day when we arrived in Manali, the temperatures fell down quickly. So that told me in a philosophical way that life can change suddenly. Then we went on bike trip from Manali to Kaza. It was almost more than 200 kilometers ride, which was covered in 100 kilometers. It was rough terrain. So it was my life's first experience, and I learned that if you want to see the beauty or you want to achieve something, you have to pass through tough phases. That was this road. We saw so many different views of mountains that I had never imagined. I was a sea person actually, but on the first day I got confused that now would I choose sea or mountain as my first preference. I will definitely miss this journey because the beauty of mountains, the different kind of terrains, plus the Motortour guide team which helped us in every possible way. Their marshals, their camera team, their other staff, they were extremely professional in their work. I will tell them that please, please, please go to Himachal Pradesh and especially to this Spiti bike expedition trip. It will change your perspective of life.